Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel BrainBridge. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is answer writing program for Indian Economy GS paper 3. In this series, this is the third question and the question is state the objectives and measures of land reform. Discuss how land ceiling policy on land holding can be considered as an effective reform under economic criteria. So in this question, there are two parts. First is related to land reform. The basic theme, if we talk about basic theme, which will be dealt in introduction portion of the question. So first is answer format. Answer format. First is introduction portion. And in introduction, we will explain the theme of the question, that is land holding. So we will write about it within one line or two line. Then in main body part, we will explain main desired answer. The first part is related to objective and measures of land reform. So first we will write about objectives and measures of land holding. Then in second part, we will explain how land ceiling policy on land holding can be considered as an effective reform under economic criteria. How का जवाब देने से पहले we will explain about land ceiling policy. Okay, so in second part we will write about land ceiling policy. Then we will write about its effectiveness. Okay, and then in conclusion portion we will write about present scenario, आज के टाइम में क्या हो रहा है, and we will conclude the answer. Now come to the introduction. Land reform in India have aimed primarily at addressing social justice by redistributing land more equitably among the rural population. So land reform is the main theme. Then come to main body part, we will write about objectives and measures of land reform. First is redistribution of land to reduce inequalities in land ownership by redistributing surplus land from large land owners to landless or small farmers. Second is tenancy reform to protect the right of tenants and sharecroppers, ensuring fair rent and tenure security. Third one is consolidation of holding to consolidate fragmented land holding to improve agriculture efficiency and productivity. Fourth one, prevention of land alienation to prevent the transfer of land from marginalized groups like SC, ST, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, to non-marginalized groups. And fifth is development of agriculture to promote agricultural development, which is the ultimate goal of all kind of land reforms. Okay, so this is the objective and measures of land reform. Now come to land ceiling policy. Land ceiling policy sets a maximum limit on amount of land that an individual or family can own. कोई व्यक्ति और कोई फैमिली कितना अपने पास रख सकता है, इसके बारे में. So this policy aims to reduce concentration of land by limiting the size of land holding. It prevents a few individual or families from holding large amount of land, thus promoting more equitable distribution. Second, increase agricultural productivity. Smaller land holdings can potentially be managed more intensively and efficiently, leading to increased agricultural productivity. Third is encourage social justice. It helps in addressing socio-economic disparities by redistributing excess land to landless or small farmers, thereby improving their economic condition. So this is about land ceiling policy. Now come to its effectiveness portion under economic criteria, which was the main question जो हमारे इस क्वेश्चन के सेकंड पार्ट में पूछा गया था. So first is efficient land use. Smaller land holdings are often utilized more intensively, leading to increased productivity per unit area. Second, improved access to land redistribution. It can provide landless farmers with access to land, allowing them to engage in agricultural activity, improve their income levels. Third is wealth distribution. By reducing the concentration of land ownership, it can contribute to more equitable distribution of wealth and income in rural area. And ultimate development, that is about rural area, means rural development. By enhancing the economic status of small farmers, we will reduce rural poverty, and this policy supports overall rural development economic growth. So this is about effectiveness under economic criteria of land ceiling policy. Now come to the conclusion portion. However, these challenges such as implementation of this policy or implementation of land reform issues, resistance from large land owners, and the need for complementary reforms like access to credit and technology have affected the full realization of these objectives. Despite these challenges, the land ceiling policy remains a significant tool in India's land reform effort aimed at achieving both social justice and economic development in rural areas. So that is all for today's lesson. If you have any question or comment, leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe my channel BrainBridge for more great educational content. See you next time. Thank you.